Welcome to the Daily Meditation for Peace. This reflection is part of our healing series, and today's meditation is titled Healing the Body with Peace. So take a moment and go to a place that's quiet, that can remove yourself from distractions. And when you're ready, let's get started. So let's get ourselves situated. And taking a deep breath in and letting it out, releasing all of the tension and all of the stress. Shake it out. And then let's take a deep breath in and going into that breath within our body to soul center. Tapping into who we are. And on the exhale, allow light to flow through every cell and fiber of your being and out into the world. And let's take another deep breath in, going to soul center, merging with the light. And with the exhale, allow love and light to flow through your body, pushing out all negativity and shadow and dis-ease, and releasing that out into the world. And take one more deep breath in, going to soul center, merging with the love and the light, and stepping into the stillness. And on the exhale, allow that peace and that stillness, the love and the light to flow through you out into the world. And just remember, you don't have to fix anything right now. And notice if there are any places that ache, or spots holding fatigue or tension. And just breathe into them, and on the exhale, letting them go. And let each inhale bring calm, and let each exhale carry out stress. Your body is not your enemy. It is your sacred vessel, a living temple of spirit and breath. It carries you even when you're tired. It whispers its needs even when you feel far away. Peace is healing medicine. Let it flow now into your cells, your muscles, and your bones. And affirm, my body is healing. I am at peace within. My body is healing. I am at peace within. Now imagine a warm golden light flowing over your body from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. This light brings peace. It brings restoration. And allow that golden light to flow into your body. And let it linger in the place or places that need care. Let it remind you that you are loved, See the peace and the love restoring your body to wholeness. The chaos and the drama eliminated. There's no place for that. There is only love. There is only peace. There is joy. There is healing. And breathe in peace. Exhale love. Breathe in peace. Exhale joy. Breathe in peace. Exhale peace. Allow the peace to bring ease to your body. And affirm to yourself, my body is healing. Peace is restored in my thoughts and minds. I am divine, and I am whole. And allow yourself to begin to feel your fingers and your toes, wiggling them, taking your head from side to side, rolling your shoulders. And affirm, I am at peace. My body is healing. My mind and my thoughts are peaceful. I embrace life. I embrace joy. I embrace the present moment, the now, and greet it with welcome, excitement. And take a deep breath in, let it out, and be here now. And so it is. Amen and amen.
May peace be your medicine and your light today. Thank you for sharing this sacred space. Healing the body with peace is part of our healing series created to remind you that within stillness, your body remembers how to heal and spirit meets you there. May your breath stay soft, your body feel supported, and your heart return again and again to peace. To explore more meditations, soul care resources, and ways to stay connected, visit us at spirituallycentered.org. Until next time, breathe deeply and let it be well with your soul. Copyright 2025, Reverend Sharon Renae. Produced by Rick Lowe.